Hi, my name is Rowena Frenzel and I'm a 3D artist. I work mainly with video games and board games like Ark Survival Evolved. I have also created graphics for film, educational products, toys and museums, such as Ripley's Believe It or Not. I have always wanted to work in video games. I was a very introverted and nerdy kid, so TV and computers were a big part of my life. I have always felt a connection to animals and nature. That's why I love doing creature design. I'm so grateful to be able to create fantasy, sci-fi worlds and creatures that are full of life, stories and feelings. Even when we create fantasies and cartoons, we must take our inspiration from the natural world. In this Domestika course, I will teach you how to create 3D creatures and tell unique stories using ZBrush. For the final project, you will create a 3D fantasy character based on your favorite animal. First, I will take you through all the materials and software you need and how to find the right animals, references and assets for your project. We will work on our creature block out and sketch some ideas before sculpting the rough shape and filling in the first details. I will talk briefly about color theory, creating a palette, color variation and posing your creature. Finally, we will render our creature and do some touch-ups, and I will give you some tips to prepare your portfolio. By the end of this course, you will be able to create, color, pose, and render a range of 3D creatures. To take this course, you will need Pixelogic ZBrush, Marmoset Toolbag, PureRef, and Photoshop. Of course, you will also need a computer that can handle 3D rendering software and a graphic tablet. Let's get inspired and create some 3D stories together.